ditanyain, katanya besok pagi Malin Kundang katanya datang.
And then?
Nah, habis itu mamanya udah masak banyak ikan buat buat Malin Kundang sama itu istrinya besoknya. Pas Malin Kundangnya datang, si pas mamanya mau meluk, didorong kalau nggak diapain gitu lupa. Didorong
Yeah.
jatuh. Habis itu si Malinnya kayak apa ya? Nggak ngaku-ngaku anaknya. Nah, habis itu
Mm-mm.
apaan sih itu namanya si istrinya juga bilang katanya katanya kak dia bilang katanya ibu kamu juga orang kaya.
Mm-mm.
Terus kata si Malinnya, enggak, dia bukan ibu aku. Terus mereka pergi. Abis itu mereka itu apa? Kena
Badai.
badai, istrinya itu apa meninggal kena tiang kapal. Habis itu si Malin kayak terdampar ke sebuah pulau gitu. Nah,
Mm-mm.
abis itu sujud udah jadi batu.
That's good. Yes, correct, Jivan. It's the story about Malin Kundang that doesn't recognize her mom. So he felt ashamed, dia merasa malu to have the poor mother, untuk punya orang tua yang miskin gitu. That's good. Thank you, Jivan. Next one
Sama
is
Miss.
Revan.
Miss.
Okay, Revan. Which story that you know really well?
Sang Kruyang, Miss.
Okay. What is Tangkuryang telling about? Gimana ceritanya? How is the story?
Jadi tuh pertama-tama tuh eh, ada sebuah cewek yang kayaknya itu namanya Dayang Sumbi.
Mhm.
Nah, terus dia tuh mm, dia tuh udah hidup sebatang kara dan ditemani anjingnya yang namanya Tumang.
Mhm.
Nah, ternyata Tumang itu dipercaya jelmaan dewa yang pernah menjadi suami Dayang Sumbi.
Okay.
Nah, pas saat itu eh, sudah siapa Dayang Sumbi dan Tumang menikah. Mereka
Mhm.
mempunyai anak namanya Sangkuriang.
Mhm.
Nah, dikarenakan Sangkuriang ini anaknya bandel banget,
Mhm.
dia dimarahi oleh ibunya yaitu Dayang Sumbi dan
Mhm.
sampai dia diusir dari rumahnya.
Mhm.
Nah, saat Daya Sumbi dan Daya Sumbi sedang jalan-jalan dengan Tumang,
Mhm.
dia ketemu anaknya
Yang
yang
sudah
udah
besar.
ganteng banget, udah jadi
Yes.
remaja lah.
Yes.
Iya, udah jadi besar. Nah, terus si Sangkuriang pun melihat ibunya tuh awet muda. Jadi dia
Mhm.
tidak mengenali ibunya sendiri.
Mm.
Nah, diajaklah Sangkuriang ke rumahnya si Teo Sumbi
Mhm.
dan di situ pun mereka berdua tuh eh, sedang kelaparan dan Sangkuriang ini pergilah mencari makan memburu.
Mhm.
Pas dia memburu, dia ketemu anjing.
Mhm.
Nah, terus eh, dia bunuh dan dia kasih ke Dayang Sumbi.
Okay.
Dayang Sumbi pun mengetahui bahwa anjingnya itu yang dibunuh oleh Sang Kuryang itu adalah
Mhm.
suaminya sendiri.
Mhm.
Murkalah si Dayang Sumbi dan marahinya sampai dia mengucapkan sumpah.
Yes. So actually, Sang Kuryang likes her mother.
Iya, benar.
Yes, jadi Sang Kuryang itu mencintai ibunya sendiri because Malin Kundang doesn't know that it is her mother, it is his mother.
Iya.
And then,
Terus tapi si Sang Kuryang ini tetap mencintai ibunya sendiri.
mm-mm, mhm,
Nah, terus ibunya bikin perjanjian kalau
Kalau
dia
kamu bisa
bisa
bikin
bikin
kapal besar,
kapal besar dalam 1 malam,
yes.
ya bisa menikah.
Mm.
Nah, sekurang hampir berhasil dengan bantuan makhluk halus.
Yes, that's actually the same like Prambanan Temple story. Sebenarnya mirip-mirip karena
Ya,
ada yang Sumbi juga meminta matahari untuk terbit duluan atau terbit lebih cepat untuk menggagalkan rencananya Sangkuriang gitu. And then after that, setelah mataharinya terbit, so Sangkuriang was really angry, because
ya,
he just failed of making the big boat. Setelah dia kesal, dia marah, dia tendang boatsnya dan akhirnya jadi terbalik. That's why namanya Tangkuban Perahu. Tangkuban Perahu means like
ya,
perahu yang
benar.
terbalik.
Tangkuban Perahu
Yes, perahu yang terbalik.
terbalik.
Wow. Thank you, Revan. Okay.
You're welcome, Miss.
Mm-mm. Who wants to tell about the story? Who wants to tell the story about bawang merah, bawang putih? Siapa yang mau? Zara, maybe? Or Namia? Who wants to tell the story about bawang merah, bawang putih? Axel was like, not me, not me, not me. Oke, Miss tunjuk aja. Zahra. Bawang merah dan bawang putih.
Lupa-lupa dikit nih
Ya,
ceritanya.
it's okay. Sedikit aja. Lupa sedikit nggak apa-apa. Ceritanya
Jadi
tentang gimana?
ceritanya ada eh, keluarga yang dikaruniai anak yang bernama Bawang Putih.
Mm-mm.
Terus ibunya meninggal.
Mm-mm.
Terus ayahnya nikah lagi sama itu si ibunya Bawang Merah gitu lah pokoknya.
Mm-mm.
Terus ayahnya kan pergi kerja kan.
Mm-mm.
Eh, terus Bawang Putihnya tuh disuruh-suruh masak, beresin
Mm.
rumah, cuci piring gitu pokoknya. Terus eh suatu hari dia tuh disuruh nyuci baju mereka di sungai.
Mm-mm.
Terus pas lagi nyuci baju, bajunya hanyut.
Mm-mm.
Terus dia pulang eh, sambil ngomong ke ibu tirinya kayak bajunya hanyut tuh kan. Terus ibu tirinya bilang jangan pulang ke rumah kalau bajunya belum ketemu.
Mm-mm.
Terus dia nyari-nyari kan ke sungai. Terus dia ketemu satu gubuk gitu pas dia lagi capek. Dia ketemu satu gubuk gitu pokoknya. Pas
Mhm.
dia ketuk-ketuk ternyata ada orang di sana, ada nenek tua gitu.
Mhm.
Terus ternyata nenek tua itu nemuin baju ibu tirinya bawang putih.
Mhm.
Terus neneknya bilang nginep di sini aja dulu. Besokan harinya si bawang putih dikasih labu gitu sama neneknya,
Mhm.
sama bawa pulang bajunya. Terus dia pulang ke rumah kan. Terus eh, dia ngasih bajunya ke ke ibu tirinya.
Mhm.
Terus labunya dia buka di dapur kan. Terus pas dia buka tuh isinya banyak emas.
Mhm.
Si ibu tirinya dengar. Terus abang bawang merahnya dengar kan. Terus mereka kayak, kamu dapat dari mana gitu kan. Terus karena mereka serakah, mereka pergi ke rumah nenek itu juga buat
Mhm.
ngambil labunya.
Mhm.
Terus pas mereka bawa pulang labunya, pas dibuka isinya ular, Miss.
Oh yes, yes. That's all?
Yes, maybe.
Yes, okay, that's good. So actually, maybe there are some of the other perspective about bawang merah and bawang putih story. As long as I ever watch, kayaknya Timun Mas itu ketemu sama the golden fish in in the river. Kayak dia ketemu sama ikan emas gitu in the river. But I kind of forgot, lupa miss-nya juga. But yeah, thank you so much, Zahra. It's actually the story the same or similar with Cinderella story kayaknya. Karena dia nantinya ketemu sama pangeran, right? Is it right? Benar nggak?
Yes, that's
Yes.
right.
Yes, that's right. Okay. Next, Tita. Tita, can you please tell me the story about Timun Mas and Buto Ijo? because it happens in the Central Java, itu terjadinya di Jawa Tengah. Do you know the story, Tita?
Halo, Miss.
Do you know the story about Timun Mas and Buto Ijo?
Em, iya sedikit, tapi agak
Okay.
lupa-lupa gitu.
Okay, let's try.
Em, di cerita ini tuh ada raksasa ijo
Mm-mm.
yang awalnya mau bantu eh, seorang ibu
Mhm.
untuk memiliki anak.
Mm-mm.
Tapi syaratnya anaknya nanti itu harus dikasih sama ke dia.
Yes, after the kid has already been teenagers ya, 17 tahun kalau nggak salah.
Ya,
Karena
anak itu namanya Timun Mas.
Mhm.
Terus pas waktu udah harus waktunya dikasihin ke buto ijonya, Timun Masnya ini melarikan diri.
Mm-mm.
Terus dia em, ngelawan buto ijonya pakai eh,
Biji.
benda-benda ajaib gitu ya,
Ya, ya,
biji
yang
mentimun.
dikasih sama kakek-kakek di atas gunung ya.
Ya,
Kalau nggak salah.
itu
Heeh.
sih Miss yang aku ingat.
Yes. And then after that Buto Ijonya kalah dan Timun Mas live happily ever after with her moms. Akhirnya tinggal bareng-bareng sama ibunya secara senang atau secara apa? Ya bagus gitu. Oke. Thank you, Tita.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, next one is the story about Keong Mas. Siapa yang mau? Who wants to tell the story about Keong Mas? Maybe Namia no, or Quina, or Gavin, Axel, Matthew. I'm going to call out your name sebelum Miss tunjuk nih. Ayo, raise your hand. Who wants to tell the story about Keong Mas? Ini Keong Mas yang ada di Taman Mini bukan? Let's go. Yuk, yuk, yuk. Who wants to tell the story about Keong Mas? Namia, are you ready? No, Namia doesn't know the story. Quina? No, you don't know the story. Axel? No, Gavin? Maybe Gavin knows the story about Keong Mas?
I don't know the story, Miss. I'm
Yeah,
sorry.
you don't know the story. Okay, next one is mine. Zaki?
No.
No. Haikal?
I don't know.
Oh my God, you don't know. Quina? Queen, do you know the story about Keong Mas?
No.
No. Jivan?
No.
Saufa. My last option. Seems like Saufa was really ready and she knows the story. Okay, let's go, Saufa.
Tadi ceritanya Putri Chandra Kirana diubah jadi keong mas sama saudara tirinya Dewi Galuh.
Mhm.
Soalnya iri. Terus
Hmm.
habis itu keong mas itu ditemuin sama nenek-nenek yang baik. Terus habis itu secara ajaib dia berubah menjadi gadis cantik ketika nenek pergi. Setelah diselamatkan akhirnya bertemu tunangannya Pangeran Inu Kertapati. Kutukan itu pun hilang dan mereka akhirnya hidup bahagia selamanya. Sementara
Oh,
Dewi Galuh melarikan diri karena takut dihukum. Mantap.
I see. Jadi Keong Mas itu dikutuk. Dikutuk. Seorang putri yang dikutuk menjadi Keong Mas. Am I right?
Ya,
Dan namanya siapa? Who is the name of the Keong Mas? What is the name of Keong Mas?
Putri Chandra Kirana.
Putri Canda Kirana. Okay. Where is Keong Mas or the legend of Keong Mas is in? Dari mana dia?
Jawa Timur apa ya?
East Java?
Bukan. Dari Jawa Timur.
Oh, Jawa. Yeah, East Java. Jawa Timur, right?
Iya,
Yes,
East Java.
East Java. Okay, thank you, Salva.
You're welcome, Miss.
So all the stories have been told by some of your friends. Udah semua ya, Sangkuriang, Malin Kundang, Keong Mas, Bawang Putih, Bawang Merah, Roro Jonggrang, and Timun Mas, and Buto Ijo. And all are these, itu namanya cerita legend or the legend story. Meanwhile, the myths itu adanya ini. What is the myths? Ini adalah mitos. This is something that is unreal, yang tidak nyata. For example, the dragon. Dragon itu unreal loh. Dragon itu is not the animal. Dia bukan binatang. Ya. Dragon itu adalah kepercayaan dari Chinese, I guess. Yes. Yang membawa cerita dari Cina. And then the legend of Putri Duyung. Putri Duyung is kind of like a mermaid things. Yes. And then it is also not real. It's not real. It's not a legend. But it is a myth. Atau the mythical beast. Sosok yang mitos, the mythical beast. And then this one is the Roro,
Ini Roro Kidul.
yeah, Roro Kidul, Roro Kidul. I was just like saying Roro Kidul, Roro Jonggrang, Roro Kidul, Roro Jonggrang, Kidul. And this is the Roro Kidul things is identically with the green gown, ya, and living under the sea. Katanya dia punya kerajaan di bawah laut yang bisa membawa orang-orang ke dalam istananya dan ya gone forever. Tidak ditemukan mayatnya, menghilang begitu saja, for example like that. Especially for the people who comes to the beach with the green things. Yang datang ke pantai dengan baju warnanya green.
Hijau.
Miss,
Yes.
Iya,
Yes.
Miss, bener.
apaan sih itu namanya?
Jivan.
Terus apaan sih itu namanya nih Roro Kidul hilang udah apa pergi nih Roro Kidul sekarang pergi apa gimana Miss ceritanya?
No, it's just mythos. It's just myths. Tidak ada
Enggak,
ceritanya dia.
maksudnya di cerita mitosnya dia itu pergi apa enggak gimana maksudnya?
I don't know.
Ada kan?
Kayaknya
Masih
nggak ada deh.
Kayaknya.
Do you guys know the story about the Roro Kidul? Ada yang tahu cerita Roro Kidul?
Saya
But I
tahunya
don't.
pas akhir
Iya,
doang.
but I don't believe the story. Aku nggak tahu sih. What about Sofa? Sofa, do you know the ending?
Endingnya kayaknya kalau nggak salah nih, bukan itu mah beda cerita.
Diusir penjajah Belanda.
Diusir penjajah Belanda. Oh my goodness, maybe yes, maybe no. I don't know because this is just like a mythos story. Ini adalah cerita mitos. That's why we don't have to believe it. Kita tidak harus percaya. Okay. Next one. What are the myths? A myth is a traditional narrative or the story that typically explain the origins of the culture's belief. Ya, jadi mitos itu dibentuk dari kebudayaan, kepercayaan dari suatu budaya. Practices also the natural phenomena and social customs. Bisa jadi juga dari religions thing. Bisa jadi ya dari religions. They often involve the gods and supernatural beings. Supernatural means like something like spirits, kayak roh-roh gitu. Supernatural. And are deeply rooted in the cultures and religion, tuh kan. Dan biasanya dikembangkan dari budaya dan juga kepercayaan agama. Oke. Let's say Leak Bali. Do you know Leak Bali?
Ya,
Leak
Miss.
Bali juga itu adalah a monster like the mythical beast. Itu dia adalah buatan. Ya, it's not real. Itu hanya mitos. And then itu kepercayaan dari budaya Bali. And then the myths are passed down orally from the generation to generation. Jadi kenapa dia bisa berkembang? Karena dibicarakan. Orally itu artinya dibicarakan. From generation to generation. Dari generasi ke generasi. And then they generally serve to convey the essential truths, values, and teaching about the nature of the world, human existence, and the relationship between the divine and mortal dreams. Gitu. Okay, next one. This are the examples of the myths in the world. Ini tentang mitos yang ada di dunia ya. The most of the famous ones are Cupid. Cupid itu apa? Do you know what is Cupid?
Cupid.
Mm-mm. Oke, Revan, please read.
Okay. Cupid, Roman, the Sisyphus,
Mhm.
god of love and desire that is often
Mm-hmm.
despised as a child with wings,
Mm-hmm.
armed with a bow and arrow,
Yes.
or which he used to cause unsuspecting individuals
Mm-hmm.
to fall deeply in love,
Mm-hmm.
leading to various romantic and future and sometimes complication.
Mm-mm. Okay, so Cupid is actually comes from the Romans belief, dari kepercayaan orang Roman ya. And then Cupid itu artinya adalah dewa asmara. Dewa asmara atau pencomblang, mak comblang itu namanya the Cupid one. If you ever know the
Oh,
angels with the arrow, ya kan?
Oh,
Pernah lihat kan?
yang
Yang
bayi tuh ya.
angels apa tuh yang kayak malaikat tapi ada hatinya terus pakai tanah gitu. Nah, itu namanya Cupid. The mischievous God and love and desire that is often depicted as a child with the wings. Ya, dia itu seperti digambarkan seperti angel, seperti malaikat. Armed with the bows and arrow, dengan bows and arrow, which he uses to cause unsuspecting individuals to fall deeply in love. Dan dia akan memanah orang untuk jatuh cinta. For example, like I will just shoot you this one with this one A and B. Mereka jadi fall in love gitu. A and B menjadi fall in love because of the Cupid things. Kerjaannya si Cupid ini gitu. And then next, Baba Yaga from the Slavic. Who wants to read? Okay, Saufa.
Baba Yaga, a supernatural character typically depicted as an old hag-like witch who dwells in a hut that stands on chicken legs. She is both a source of terror and provider of wisdom, with individuals seeking her out for assistance or guidance only given if they complete challenging texts or tests.
Okay, so for those who doesn't know Baba Yaga, here is Baba Yaga. Dia adanya di rumah gubuk. This one. And he likes to give the challenge. Hey, something like witch. Kita bisa bilang dia seperti penyihir, like the witch.
Ikaw,
Yes. And yeah, it's kind of scary. I'm not going to share it really, really often, ya kan? It's really scary. It's Baba Yaga is from the Slavic. Dari Slavic. Thank you, Sofa. And the next one,
Penyihir.
this is really popular from the movie of Moana, Maui. Who wants to read it? Maybe I need the
Di
book.
mana pakai tato, Miss?
Oh ya, Moana pakai tato ya, Maui-nya. I don't know. Okay, who wants to read this one? Raise your hand, please. Who wants to read this? Gavin? Okay, let's go, Gavin. Hey, Gavin, open your microphone first. You already start speaking.
Ah,
Yeah.
sorry. A trickster's demigod and cultural hero renowned for his clever exploits and divine gifts. He is renowned for his magical fish hook, which he uses to haul up island from the ocean depths.
Mm.
One his most famous exploit is his attempt to slow down the sun by capturing it with ropes.
Yes. So the Maui that we know from the Moana movie is like he likes to control the waves ya. Kalau Maui yang ada di Moana itu biasanya dia mengontrol the wave atau ombak di lautan. And this is also he is renowned for his magical fish hook which he uses to haul up the islands from the ocean's depths. Okay. Do you know which one this is it's not the real, but I can say like a myth of Maui. Yes, this one is Maui. It's actually the same like this. Maui from the Moana. Look. This is the old versions, and this is the news or the latest versions. And yes, Maui in Moana is using the tattoo or has so much tattoo. Like Jivan said before. Okay, so you already know what is the difference between the legends and the myths? Udah tahu semua kan?
Ya,
Kayaknya,
Miss.
yes.
Yes, Miss.
Yes, okay. Now I want to ask you to please open your Google. Bisa kan sambil open Google?
Insya
Bisa,
Allah
Miss.
bisa.
Yes, insya Allah bisa. Okay, please open your Google to find
Sering.
all of these things. Myths can come from different cultures all around the world. See if you can match the following myths to their correct origins. Asalnya dari mana? Hercules, the Loch Ness Monster, Thor, Anubis, Sun Gokong. No. Sun
Sun Wukong. Sun
Sun
Wukong.
Is that Sun Gokong? Sun Wukong. And then Banshee. Okay, we're going to see where are they coming from. Let's go. Google it. I'll give you like 5 minutes to find all the answers. 5 menit. Okay? 5
Ah,
minutes
5
to
menit.
search. Yes. And then do not make any lines ya. Jangan dicoret-coret gini-gini dulu. It's okay. We're just going to say it together nantinya. Okay, guys, let's go. 5 minutes from now. Please surf your internet. Surf your internet
Dari
and
salah
find
satu
it.
apa gimana, Miss?
Semua. But keep it in yourself ya. Dan simpen aja jawabannya. Later on, kita jawab bareng-bareng.
Oke, Miss. Well done.
Hah? Who said well done?
Saya, Miss Revan.
Oh my God. So fast. Beneran?
Iya.
Oh my God. Okay. Revan, just keep your answers. Simpen dulu jawabanmu.
Oke.
5 minutes
Oke,
ya.
Miss.
Alright. I'm also Googling, guys. Miss juga baru tahu ini. I'm also have to Google it.
Masih satu saudara toh. Ternyata masih satu saudara dia.
Oh, I see.
Ini disuruh apa ya, Miss?
Googling and find out where are they coming from. Contohnya nih, mitos tentang Hercules itu dari daerah mana, dari negara mana. And then Thor tuh dari mana?
Dari
Sorry, my Google is
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. You can just wait for the answers from your friends here. It's fine, guys. For some of you who do not know how to use
foto
it.
itu deh.
Ya, nggak apa-apa. Tunggu aja ya.
Kayak
Dikit tuh di mana?
alat tulis sama pensil.
Morse itu nggak tahu apa. Anubis. Oh, Anubis. Lokones. Halo, Oke. Benar ini timur.
Okay, I'm done. Everybody done?
Ya, Miss.
Okay,
Belum, Miss.
let's go. The first one, the Hercules, a demigod who possesses the superhuman strength, is coming from
Greek.
Greek. Yes, dia itu
Greek.
dari Yunani ternyata. Greek itu Yunani ya, dari
Ya,
Yunani.
Miss.
And then number 2, the Loch Ness monster, a large aquatic creature who inhabits in the lake, is coming from
Scottish.
Scottish. What is Scottish?
Scottish.
Skotlandia.
Skotlandia. Good job. Wait. And then number 3, Thor, a god of thunder. Oh, who wields an enchanted hammer. Is from
Norse.
Norse. Norse itu berarti orang mana Norse?
Norse.
Norway?
Norwegia.
Norwegia.
Norwegia. Berarti Thor itu dari asalnya di Norwegia, the same like salmon. The phrase salmon. Okay, and then Anubis is a dog-headed cat associated with the afterlife.
Egyptian.
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 Egypt.
Okay. Egyptian berarti dari Mesir.
Mesir.
Sun
Mesir.
Wukong. This is actually the same like Sun Gokong, I guess. Sun Wukong.
Chinese.
Ya, Miss.
Chinese.
Ya kan? A
Chinese.
mischievous monkey.
Chinese.
Itu kan monkey. Berarti Sun Gokong ini Sun Gokong, guys.
Beda nama.
Iya, namanya tapi Sun Wukong. Tapi kalau kita taunya Sun Gokong. Okay, so Sun Wukong is a mischievous monkey.
Chinese.
Mischievous itu artinya jahil ya. Jahil, nakal, bandel itu mischievous. Mischievous monkey who gains incredible powers.
Chinese.
Yes,
Chinese.
good. Banshee is an old woman spirit who screams when death is near.
Irish.
Iris itu negara apa?
Ayo.
Dia.
Iris.
Irlandia. Good job.
Ira.
Yes, Irlandia.
Irandia.
Next one, talking about what are the legends. Legends are traditional stories that are rooted in the real historical events. Jadi dia itu termasuk dari sejarah. Sejarah yang pernah terjadi. Makanya dia adalah cerita fakta, okay? But often incorporate elements of the supernatural. Biasanya juga diganggu dengan kekuatan-kekuatan supranatural. For example, kayak the making of the Tangkuban Perahu dibantu sama jin. The making of the Prambanan dibantu sama jin. Itu namanya supernatural and supernatural elements. And then whereas the myths explain the origins of the broader cultural elements, legends are centered around specific heroic figures and then historical events and exceptional individuals. Legends often blend facts and fiction, creating a narrative that is both compelling and culturally significant. They are also passed down orally and play a crucial role in shaping in the community's identity. Jadi dia itu terjadi di daerah-daerah tertentu. That are the legend. Sama ya, ceritanya berkembang karena story by story. And then, these are the examples of the legends di dunia. Robin Hood in English, Mulan from Chinese, Dracula from Romanian. Okay, now I will ask Axel to please read the Robin Hood. And then Mulan will be read by, yang belum aja ya. Mulan will be read by Namia. Dracula will be read by Rifki or Zaki. Rifki, are you here? Rifki. Okay. Dracula by Rifki ya. Okay, let's go. The first person is Axel. Read the Robin Hood.
Yes, Miss. Robin Hood. The legend centers around an outlaw who robs from the rich to give to the poor in Sherwood Forest. Acquired it by his band of merry men, Robin Hood becomes a symbol of resistance against oppressive authorities, reflecting themes of social justice and heroism of common people.
Oh, social justice atau keadilan sosial. Wait, we are going to see which one is the Robin Hood's character. Miss mau tahu juga. Robin Hood. It's a legend ya. Berarti dia nyata. Oh, this one. Here is the Robin Hood. Okay. Thank you, Axel.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, the next person is Namia. Namia, please read about Mulan.
Mulan. A tale about Hua Mulan, a young woman who disguises herself as a man to take her elderly father place in the army. Her courage and military prowess lead
Mhm.
to her becoming a celebrated warrior. The
Hmm.
legend explores theme of gender roles and strength that arise from
Unexpected
unexpected place.
places. Oke, jadi Mulan itu dia menyamar menjadi laki-laki untuk menyelamatkan ayahnya. Let's see which one is the Mulan the legend. Mulan itu bukannya princess ya? Like, is it from Disney? Enggak ya, this one. Mulan. Have
It's
you?
from Disney.
Yeah, from Disney, right? Wait, let me check. Oh, maybe it's adapted. Yeah, it's adapted to the Disney one. It's a Mulan story. Have you watched this movie?
Dah, Miss.
Udah ya? Oke, that's good.
Ya, Miss.
Aku juga belum. I also haven't watched Mulan's movie. Alright, but Saufa already watched it. Thank you, Namia. Okay, let's go now. The next is Dracula, read by Rifki. Rifki.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, let's go.
Dracula is spread by the story, the historical figure, Vlad, princess, and Walchi has
Wallachia.
become legendary character
Associated.
associated with vampires in popular culture.
Hmm.
Can explore types of the supernatural, immortality, and fear of the unknown.
Okay, so basically Dracula and vampire is kinda the same ya. Dracula itu mirip nggak sih sama vampir?
Beda nggak sih?
Hah?
Beda.
Beda ya? Oh, okay, so here is Dracula. Let me
Kayaknya
check.
serigala Dracula. Dracula itu mirip.
Mirip
Apa?
Wolfman. Werewolf.
Iya kayaknya.
Oh, this one Dracula, this one vampire. They're kind of similar. Mirip sih. Dracula is a vampire, a creature that exists by drinking human blood. Vampires have existed as a part of the human society for millennia, whereas the Dracula is the embodiment of the prince blood. Oh, jadi Dracula itu adalah pangeran. Namanya The Prince Blood. Kayak tadi kan ada The Prince Blood Tree. Okay. Thank you, Rifki. All right, now let's back again to this. You have to find out with your Google the myths around the world. Do you know where all these following legends originated? Ini harusnya bukan myths ya, sorry, salah ketik. Harusnya legends. Legend from around the world. See if you can match the following legends here. Kok kejawab? Legends. Okay, the first one is Atlantis, a powerful and advanced city that sank into the ocean. Where is it coming from? Yeah, I'll give you again another 5 minutes to find. Check again your Google, okay? Oh, maybe I have to give the task for one by one. Satu-satu aja deh. The first gonna be solved by Haikal yang belum-belum ya. And then this one by Matthew. And then this one by Zaki. This one by Jifan. This one by who else? Do I have more people that is not mentioned yet? Tita. Tita, this one. And then Paul, blah, 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 by Gavin. Okay, let's go. Please find it in your Google. Where are they coming from? Atlantis, the powerful and advanced city that sank into the ocean. Beowulf is a hero who battles against a monster called Grendel. El Dorado, a mythical golden city said to be located in the remote region. El Dorado itu salah satu nama, what is it called? Like a swimming pool areas in the Cibubur. Joan of Arc, a peasant's girl who became a courageous military leader. Qingxi, the Pirate Queens, a successful and powerful female pirate. Paul Bunyan, a giant lumberjack with a superhuman strength. Okay, you can now please drag the line or make it like a match it. Okay, match it up. Good. All right. Haikal, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
Okay, good. Matthew, are you here? Matthew? Matthew.
I'm here.
Okay,
I'm
good.
here.
Jifan, are you here?
Yes, Miss.
All right, let's go, guys.
Tarik garis, Miss.
Yes. Okay, Gavin dead. Tinggal Haikal and Matthew.
Miss, izin ke
Yeah.
toilet.
Okay. Haikal. Matthew. Let's go. Where is your answer? Where is Atlantis from? Where is Beowulf from? Berarti sisanya adalah
Sweden.
Old English sama Greek ya. Old English and Greek.
Greek or English. Wait.
Okay, Matthew said it's an Old English. So Haikal said it's a Greek. Let's take a look at the answer. Is that right? Atlantis is actually from Greek. Yes, that's nice, Haikal. Beowulf is from the Old English. That's good, Matthew. El Dorado is from South American. Good job, Zaki. Joan of Arc is from French. Good job, Jefan. Qingxi, the Pirate Queens, is from Chinese. That's good, Tita. And Paul Bunyan is from America. Yes, that's all nice. Okay, so here's the sums up. Please, I need the volunteer to read the sums up atau ringkasannya. Siapa yang mau baca? Who wants to read? Who wants to read? Tita. Tita, please help me. Read the sums up.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah.
While both myths and legends are traditional narratives that convey cultural values and beliefs, myths typically explain broader aspects of a culture's worldview. While legends center around specific historical events or heroic individuals, many stories might fall into both categories, which is why myths and legends are often spoken about together.
Yes, that's right. So, singkatnya itu adalah mitos typically explain broader aspects of the cultural worldview dari budaya-budaya atau dari agama ya. Agama dan dibantu oleh supernatural kayak tadi. And then legend is a center around specific historical events and heroic individuals. Jadi kalau legend itu adalah cerita dari sejarah historical and the heroic individuals. Bisa juga tentang orang-orang yang punya jasa atau kekuatan tertentu, like heroic things. Okay, thank you Tita for reading for me. Alright, so now for the last but not least, we are just going to get this one. Please, everybody take your parts. Where is Tangkuban Perahu from? What province? What province is Tangkuban Perahu from? Dari manakah Tangkuban Perahu? Yep, everybody please
Yes,
answer together.
apa?
Bareng-bareng semuanya ya. Let's go.
West Java.
Yes, good job. Siapa itu yang jawab? Gavin ya?
Gavin. Yes.
Okay, good. Next one, Surabaya. What province is it?
East Java.
East Java. Good job. East Java. Jawa Timur ya. Malin Kundang. What province? What province is it from?
West Sumatra.
Yes, Sumatera Barat apa?
West Sumatra.
West Sumatra.
Sumatera.
What about Biwar? Ayo, ada yang tahu gak nih cerita Biwar?
Luar.
Yes. Dari Kalimantan. Tapi Kalimantan mana? Kalimantan Barat atau Kalimantan Timur?
Pertanyaan Kalimantan Timur.
Yes, that's right. East Kalimantan.
Kalimantan.
Next one. Crying Stone.
Rahing, mantap. Dari mana ya?
The Crying Stone. Lihat tuh ada kayak lagi nangis gitu.
West Kalimantan.
West Kalimantan. Good job, Saufa. Dia juga dari Kalimantan ya, tapi Kalimantan Barat. Nenek Pakende. Pakande. Nenek Pakande.
Papua.
No.
North Sulawesi.
It's from the Sulawesi,
West-
but which part of Sulawesi?
South.
Nusa Tenggara.
Oh,
South
Sulawesi.
Sulawesi.
Sulawesi Selatan.
Iya, selatan. Atau kayak Manado ya, Sulsel. Maybe that's the place of Matthew, di tempatnya Matthew berarti. South Sulawesi. Next one. Pesut Mahakam. Pesut
Manado, Sulawesi Utara, Miss.
Mahakam. Where is it?
Manado, North Sulawesi, Miss.
Oh, Manado itu North Sulawesi.
Iya.
Sulawesi Utara. Oh iya
Mm-mm.
ya. Oh iya, Sulut ya, I'm sorry. Oke, what about Pusut Mahakam? Tinggalin dulu deh, Miss juga nggak tahu. Putri Lumimut. Putri Lumimut. Where is it from?
Dari Nang Ningnung yang mana aku pilih. West Nusa Tenggara.
No.
North
North
Nusa Tenggara. North Sulawesi.
North Sulawesi. Ini baru dari Manado. Am I right, Matthew? Yes, that's right. Mandalika.
Mandalika, West Nusa Tenggara.
Yes.
Sumatera.
No, Nusa Tenggara.
Oh, NTT.
NTB. Barat ya.
Mandalika sih.
Kalau timur itu
Oh.
NTT. So, Hanging Stone.
Hanging Stone. North Sumatera.
Good job. North Sumatra atau Sumatera Utara. And Pesut Mahakam from
Papua.
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 Filipina.
Ting ting ting. Oh, oh wow.
Eh,
Oh my
ah,
goodness, kebalik. Oke.
Udah.
So actually Biwar itu dari Papua. Berarti yang dari Kalimantan Barat adalah the Crying.
tisu.
Oh, oke lah ya. English conversation. PSID. Ya, oke. Nggak nyekup. Oke. Oh, we're still the first person who completed it. And baru orang yang pertama. By the way, we're just nggak bisa kelihatan lagi ya. Oh, it's okay lah. Oke, so actually Biwar itu dari mana tadi?
Dari mana ya?
Papua.
Papua. Biwar is from, oh iya benar, di Papua. Ya, legenda Biwar. And then one more is the hanging. What hanging is it?
Apa
Hanging
namanya?
Stone.
Hanging Stone.
Oh ya, hanging stone. Ada hanging stone, ada crying stone soalnya. Hanging stone is from North Sumatra. Oke, kita kebalik. Tadi harusnya Kalimantan, right? Beda kali, bukan hanging stone. Oh my God, I kind of forget tadi dari mana ya?
Pesut Mahakam nggak sih, Miss?
The Crying Stone nggak sih tadi?
Shoot
Atau
kali.
apa ya?
Shoot kali.
Pesut Mahakam
Oh,
nggak sih,
Pesut
Miss?
Mahakam. I'm sorry. Iya, salah. Pesut Mahakam. Where is it from? Tuh kan, it says the Kalimantan. Apakah dia dari Papua?
Dari Kalimantan Timur.
Iya, itu dibilangin dari Kalimantan Timur. Bentukannya kayak beluga. Apakah dia beluga? Kayak beluga.
Lucunya.
Lucu. Kayak ikan beluga. Tahu beluga kan?
Beluga.
Iya, paus beluga. Kau kan
Beluga.
hanya
Tahu,
paus
Miss, yang
beluga.
pernah itu kan, Miss.
Ya.
Apa? Nolongin orang pas HP-nya jatuh.
Emang iya?
Ya pernah, Miss, orang di danau
Best taunya
gimana
sih
gitu.
paus beluga itu dari film Finding Dory kayaknya deh.
Oh, yang mana?
Yes, okay. So do you guys have any questions? Kita udah running our time loh guys. Udah jam 8:50. Udah kelewat 5 menit. So do you have any questions before we closed?
Nggak ada.
No ya?
No,
So
Miss.
it's clear enough. You
No,
can
Miss.
now differentiate between the mythos sama legend. Udah tahu bedanya kan? Mitos itu adalah kepercayaan budaya dan juga dari agama. Kalau legend itu dari sejarah, udah ada ceritanya, itu real kayak gitu. Get it, guys?
Edit.
Ya,
Yes. Okay, so see you again tomorrow. Tomorrow with Miss Rere and see you with Miss Tita again next week. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye,
Thank you so much
Miss.
for coming tonight. Yes. Bye,
Saya
Salva. Bye,
tuh lah.
Jivan. Bye, Zara. Bye, Zaki. Bye, Gavin. Bye, Tita. Bye-bye, Rifki. Yes. Bye-bye.